Imagine this. An airplane soaring high above the clouds suddenly hits a pocket of turbulence. Tiny cracks form along the wing, but before engineers even know it, the damage begins to heal itself. That's not science fiction. It's happening right now in China. In a research center just outside Shanghai, a team of Chinese aerospace scientists has unveiled something extraordinary: self-healing airplane wings. These wings are built with a special nano-gel vein system, a network of microscopic channels running through the wing's structure. Inside those channels flows a liquid polymer gel, a kind of synthetic blood for airplanes. When stress, vibration, or microfractures appear, sensors inside the wing immediately detect the pressure change. Within seconds, the gel rushes to the damaged area, fills the cracks, and hardens, sealing the wound almost like how skin heals after a cut. What makes this even incredible is how it works under extreme conditions. Even at -50 degrees Celsius, where most materials become brittle, this healing reaction stays active. It mimics biology, but in a world of metal and composite. Essentially, it gives airplanes the ability to recover from wounds on their own mid-flight. According to the engineers behind the project, this technology could extend the lifespan of aircraft by decades while reducing maintenance and repair costs by up to 80%. Just imagine, no more grounding jets for long, expensive repairs. Instead, planes could detect and heal their own damage before landing. With successful prototype tests already complete, researchers are now preparing to integrate this system into next-generation commercial jets. If all goes well, future air travel could be safer, more efficient, and far more sustainable, thanks to a wing that can take care of itself. A future where airplanes heal their own wounds. What was once just a dream of science fiction is now taking flight above the skies of China.